fighting exclusion. Let our dreams be defined. Together we sing, let the world know our song. In unity we stand to prove them all wrong. KòTAKޮT, let's break down the walls. With poetry and love, we'll answer the calls. Together we rise, no one left behind. In this world of ours, it's inclusion we find. Yes, the world is a world. Less the words of the world. Yeah, from nature's own rhythm, my words flow with grace. A tapestry woven, we find our own place.